Okay, YouTube, so that was my first spanner flip that I've ever landed. I tried slowing it down a bit and it just seemed to work. Yeah, also with the clip of the spanner flip, the bars were on the side and so it looked a bit weird, so yeah. That was because the kid who was filming like that, but I can't complain. The spanner flip took quite a lot of attempts, but slowing it down really did help me, and yeah, so I was thinking of putting on some tutorial videos, teach you guys some tricks, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.